Hot tips for your affiliate marketing business. Affiliate programs make use of the huge online market to create some extra cash, which is always welcome in these hard times. However, if you're just starting a site or your site isn't making much profit, you might not know what to do. This site contains useful tips and tricks to noticeably improve profits. Most importantly, your website content must be up to par. Your website will never get quality traffic if you are not targeting the consumer with information that is relevant and informative. An affiliate program will never work if you do not get good traffic directed through your site at a constant pace. A great way to make sure that your site is interesting is to choose a topic that you like. If you are writing about a site and advertising for things that suit you, then it will be easier and more interesting. Advertising for what you love is the number one rule for affiliate marketing. Amazon associates in California, who had their accounts suspended earlier this year, should now be reinstating their links. A change in the law that forced Amazon to drop California residents from the program means they are now again eligible to participate. Sign into your account to reactivate your membership and get back to selling. When looking into an affiliate marketing program, make sure that you look into one that will be able to provide you with the most current statistics. You may have to do a little digging to find this. It is important that you know exactly what is going on within the company so that you can have the proper information as a manager within the program. If you plan on being successful with affiliate marketing, you must select a niche that will generate revenue. When participating in affiliate marketing, you are aiming to make money. Otherwise, you can just create a personal blog about your interests. Therefore, you need to do research to ensure that the niche you pick will be profitable for you. A good affiliate marketing tip is to make sure you're in the right market. You want to be in a market where you'll make some money. You'll also want to be in one that is relevant to your interests. Doing a little bit of research will help you find the right market for you. As was mentioned before in the video, affiliate programs can be a very nice source of income. However, if you're lazy and uninterested in making your site attractive to your audience, your site will surely fail. You need to put in your time and effort if you want to see any rewards. Student loan.